from travelling around and from seeing things abroad, I think we'll do very well.
Glad it has been a decisive vote. I think we're much better in the common market than out of it.
I think on balance it'll be a tremendous benefit.
On the 22nd of January 1972, with the signing of the Accession Treaty by the then Taoiseach Jack Lynch and the then Minister for Foreign Affairs Patrick Hillery, Ireland's transformational membership of the EU began. The signing, which took place in the Egmont Palace of Brussels, paved the way for a new Ireland, one which its future lay firmly within Europe. Later that same year, in May 1972, the Irish people overwhelmingly endorsed the decision in a referendum to confirm Ireland's place in the European community. This journey towards membership has been a long time in the making, with Jack Lynch and Sean Lemass paving the way ahead for the country in the years beforehand.
Previously, it was considered that Ireland had very little to contribute to the world stage, that we were an inconsequential island. But since we joined the EU in 1972, it's had a transformative and really positive effect on Ireland. And not only that, but Ireland has contributed significantly to the development of the EU. So we've a lot to be proud of about our development with the EU over the last 50 years.